Namaste, welcome to sisterkitchen.com. Today I am making dog food. A couple of people asked me how I make my dog food. First of all, meet my dogs Chingiz and Sita. Chingiz is the boy, Sita is the girl. They are American Eskimos, beautiful and very lovable. I make food for them once in 5 or 6 days. I give it to them in the evening as dinner. They eagerly wait for that time. People make in different ways. I just want to show you how I make. I took 2 cups of rice and 1 cup of millets in a big pot and washed them thoroughly. I added some water to this. I added some water which I did not measure at all. I just wanted into a loose consistency so it is easy for me when I am serving. So I added enough water. If I need more, I can add later. I covered with the lid and let it cook on medium flame. Now I have to add the vegetables. I cut 2 large carrots and some broccoli stems. Broccoli stems are good, never throw away. I actually made a curry with broccoli stems and carrot. I kept some pieces aside to use in the dog food. I also cut 2 large potatoes and I am adding them now. This is the curry I made with carrot and broccoli stems. I will share this recipe also soon. I also have some pumpkin pieces today, so I am using them along with the rind. So there is no need to peel the rind, okay? I am also adding 1 cup of rolled oats. They also eat carrots, apples and banana just as a snack. You can use any vegetables that you have on hand, and you can also add some chicken or anything if you want to add. I give them separately twice a week. When the water is boiling, lower the temperature to low flame and remove the lid. Give it a stir in between so it won't spill out. So looks like everything cooked well. So switch off the flame and let it cool down. I will serve the dogs when it is cooled down and then refrigerate the rest of it. They really like this food. We don't buy any canned foods or packaged foods for my dogs, but we do give dog chow in the morning. So friends, this is the recipe that I make for my dogs. So please give me your comments and suggestions on this recipe. If you like the recipe, please like and share. Check out my website at sisterkitchen.com for more healthy recipes.